At 6 tonight, this week is Lightning Safety Week, and it's important to remember that lightning isn't just something that's fun to watch. It kills more than 50 people in the U.S. each year and injures hundreds more. Experts say if you hear thunder, you're in danger.
Severe thunderstorm to be in line to be struck by lightning, because all thunderstorms contain lightning.
Weather experts say that sheds, picnic shelters, and covered porches are not safe in a lightning storm. Also, avoid taking a bath or shower or using corded electronics during a storm.